Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can pay Jollibee using your Atome. So first thing that you should do is you just have to get your Atome card details. You just have to open your Atome app and then go to your card, virtual card section, and then you just have to copy the card number, your expiry date, and your CVV. And then make sure that your Atome card is activated and you have enough credit limit. So after that, you just have to order a Jollibee, and on the Jollibee app or website, you can add your food to your cart. You can also use GrabFood or Food Panda, and then at checkout, just have to choose your credit or debit card as the payment method. And then after that, you just have to enter the Atome card details in payment. So in the card payment form, put your Atome virtual card number, your expiry, and CVV. So if the terminal payment gateway asks for a PIN, you can use the PIN you set for the Atome card in the Atome app. So according to users, some Jollibee terminals might prompt the PIN. So you just have to complete your payment. So submit, confirm the payment. So wait for the transaction to process. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.